Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate service inquiries for car dealerships via WhatsApp. So let's suppose I am running a car dealership business and I am receiving many queries on my WhatsApp. I was manually replying to all of the queries and this was consuming a lot of my time. So I have completely automated this process and I have created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now with the help of this chatbot which I have created, whenever a user sends me a message, automatically the reply will be sent to them based on the query which they have sent to me. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can automate the service inquiries for car dealerships via WhatsApp, and for this I have created this amazing WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. I am going to test this once. For that I will be opening my WhatsApp and I am going to send some message like, hey, I want to book car service. I am going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. And here I have received this message, welcome to Caries. I can help you with car service information and booking appointments. I have two buttons, service pricing and book service. If I click on the service pricing, I will be sent few buttons. And if I click on any of the buttons, I will be sent the pricing. So in this manner, you can create more buttons or you can create a list in which you add the pricing. And if I click on this tire replacement, the message will be sent to me. If I click on this full service, the pricing message will be sent to me in the very similar manner. We have this one more button of book service. If I click on this, I will be asked few questions. So it says, got it, please help us know your name. So I'm going to enter my name. And after entering my name, I'm going to send this. Let's wait for the next question. It is asking the car model. I'm going to send it as Tata Altroz, and then it is going to ask me the next question. I'm going to write the date as 2010-2025. I'm going to send this message and I'm going to receive a message, thank you for sharing your details. So this is a custom message. I have my name on this message. You can create this too. Our team member will reach you over call and confirm the booking. Thank you for choosing us. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to work. And now if you want to learn how we can create this, then let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to see how we can automate the car service inquiries for car dealership via WhatsApp, and for this we are going to create a chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser, and after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Now let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard. I can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. You can use this WhatsApp Connect to connect your WhatsApp with your Pabbly Chatflow account, or you can use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp with your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can do this, then please check out the link given in the description. Now on the left hand side where you can see all these options, inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings and get help, we have created a dedicated and detailed video on all of these features. You can visit our YouTube channel where we have created a dedicated playlist of Pabbly Chatflow, or you can check out the link given in the description. Now to create a flow, we have to go towards this flows. So we are going to create the WhatsApp chatbot. I'm going to click on this flows and open this flows now. I have landed towards the flow builder now. You can see the total flows, active flows and inactive flows. So here this one flow is active on chats, and then to create a new flow you simply need to click on this add flow button. Let's open this. Now we have landed towards this page, and from here we are going to start creating our WhatsApp chatbot. Before that, let's quickly name this to automate service inquiries for car dealerships via WhatsApp. And then we have this box of trigger. So with the help of this box, we are going to trigger our WhatsApp chatbot. In the trigger event, we have all these options. Whether you want to trigger this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keyword regex match, you want it for the user start conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to list, custom field updated, and the tag assigned. I'm going to select it as keyword regex match, and then I'm going to enter some keyword. Now here I'm going to enter the keyword like car and the service, and these particular keywords are going to activate my WhatsApp chatbot. So if a user send me a message like I want to book a car service, then these particular keywords are going to activate my WhatsApp chatbot. But what if the keyword does not match the user message? Then it is not going to get activated. Then we have another option of this regex. So regex is like a smart search tool which helps chatbot identify different patterns of words and variables. I'm going to enter a pattern like. So if you are using regex, please make sure that you enter the regex in the same pattern, and the same pattern is going to trigger the WhatsApp chatbot. So if suppose the user does not have any keyword in their message, then with the help of this regex, this chatbot is going to get triggered. You can either keep the keyword or the regex. I'm going to keep it both for now. So here we are done with adding the trigger, and now my WhatsApp chatbot is going to get triggered whenever I receive a message. So if I open my WhatsApp, you can see that this was the message which I sent. Hey, I want to book car service. So with the help of this keyword or the regex, my chatbot got triggered and it sent me this message. So how we are going to create this message, how we are going to send this message after that, I'm going to simply click on this circle, drag and drop this circle, and then I'm going to select my choose content type. We have the text plus button. This is the text plus button which we have used. This is the text and the buttons which we have applied here. Then we have this media. So if you want to send the image, audio, video, or document, you can use this media. If you want to use this list, if you have many options to provide to your users, you can use this list. And then we have the single product, multi-product. If you want to send that, you can use this. If you want to send the AI message, you can use the single AI message. And if you want to use the pre-designed message format, which is template, you can use this. For now, I'm going to use this text plus button. And then I'm going to enter my message like, welcome to Caries. I can help you with car service information and booking appointments. Now, if I go back towards my WhatsApp, you can see that this text is in bold. So how we are going to create this? For that, you simply need to put star in the end and in the front of the sentence like this. And here it is. That's it. With the help of these stars, we are going to bold this sentence, welcome to car ease. Now, after providing this message, I also need to provide the buttons similar to this, like this. So I'm going to simply click on this add button. You can add 3 buttons, but if you have more options, you can simply drag and drop this list and provide the message and the buttons or the options. I'm going to provide 2 options like service pricing and book service. Now, when they click on the service pricing, I'm going to send the message like this. When they click on the service pricing, I'm going to provide them option and then the pricing. So we are going to simply create this message now. I'm going to go back towards my chat flow, and from here I'm going to drag and drop this and select my content type as text plus button, and I'm going to enter the text. Here are a popular car service, and I'm going to provide them the option. First is oil change, second is tire replacement, third is full service. So this is how we have created the buttons, and then we are going to create with the help of text plus button itself the messages. Like if I open my WhatsApp, I'm going to create messages like this. So we are going to create these messages very normally. Like I'm simply going to drag and drop this, select my content type as text button and enter this. That's it. I'm going to create the same message for the rest of the options also. Then we have this book service. Now in this book service, we are asking the question. If I open my WhatsApp, tab, you can see that if I click on this book service, it asked me, got it, please help us know your name, and then it kept asking me the questions. So how we are going to do this, how we are going to ask the question? For that, on the left hand side, you can see this messages and actions. We are done understanding the messages. Moving on towards the actions. So under these actions, we have the condition, ask, address, ask question. With the help of these actions, we can ask the questions from the user. We can ask them question, we can ask them to upload the media, we can set the custom field, we can add the tag. We can use this API request to send the data to another CRM or the Google Sheets. We can use the single AI message so that we can send the AI generated message. We can create AI assistant and then assign that AI assistant to this WhatsApp chatbot. We can use this delay to delay the messages or the reminders. We can use this connect flow to connect one flow from another flow. I'm going to ask the question. So I'm simply going to drag and drop this ask question and then connect this circle to this circle and enter my message like this. Got it. Please help us know your name. So first I'm asking them the name. We have this box of contact custom field and select format. So when you are asking the question, these are the most important fields which we have. In the contact custom field, when you are asking a particular question, you have to create a particular contact custom field for that question and select it in this field. So I'm asking the full name. I'm going to select full name from here. And then I'm going to select the format as text. So if you are asking date, phone number, something like that, you can select from this drop down as the format. I am asking the full name, so I've selected it as text. Now here I have asked the question and I'm going to create 2-3 questions more for the car model and the preferred date. But we have another important thing to understand. We have this contact custom field. So as I told you that we have to create this contact custom field. Now how are you going to create this? For that, we have to move towards settings, but before that, we are going to save this flow. Please make sure that you save your flow. If you do not save this flow, all your messages will be lost. So after saving this flow, I'm going to move towards the settings and then I'm going to open this contact custom field in a new tab. If you open this in the same tab without saving this, please remember the flow will be lost. So you have to save this flow. I'm going to open the contact custom field now. Here I have landed towards this contact custom field. If I scroll down, you can see all the fields which I have created. So here I have created a field for this full name and I have selected the same over here in this contact custom field. So with the help of this contact custom field, we are going to send custom messages like over here. I've shown you. Thank you for sharing the details. So because of the contact custom field, we have saved these details sent by the user and then we have used this to create the custom messages, or we can send these details to our CRM or the Google Sheets. Now here you simply have to scroll down and then you have to click on this add more field and then you have to enter the field name and simply save this. You can add as many as contact custom fields as you want. So we are going to save this field first, and after the field has been saved, we are going to copy this and then we are going to paste it. So it will appear something like this. And this particular thing is going to create a custom message. I am going to remove this for now. So this is how you can create contact custom field and use it to your flow. Now here I am quickly going to complete this entire flow. I am going to add the question and the rest of the messages here, and then we are going to understand the further steps here. So here I have completed this flow. I have created the messages for each of these buttons: oil change, tire replacement, and the full service. You can add more buttons as I've told you earlier. Then for the question, I've asked the question and I have asked the car model. I have created a contact custom field for the car model so that whenever my user answer this question, the answer gets saved in this contact custom field. I have selected the format as any. Then I have asked them the preferred service date. I have selected the contact custom field as date and selected the format as date, and then finally I have sent them this personalized message. Thank you for sharing your details. You can see that I have used the stars in the front and the end of the sentence to bold this, and I have used this $full name to create a personalized message as I've told you earlier. So our team will reach you over call and confirm your booking. Thank you for choosing us. So this is how we have created this WhatsApp chatbot. Please make sure that your flow is on. If you keep it off or inactive, the messages won't be sent. So we have to keep it active and then we save this. If we do not save this, our messages will be lost. So the flow updated successfully. Now I'm going to open my WhatsApp and for the last time I'm going to check whether it is working fine or not. I'm going to send the same message. Let's wait for the reply. And here it has sent me this message. I'm going to click on the service pricing and I will be sent the options. If I click on the options, I will be sent the prices. If I click on this book service, I will be asked few questions. And this chatbot is working fine. So here we have first selected our trigger event. While creating this chatbot, we have entered the keyword and the regex. Then we have sent the welcome message. After that, we have created the messages for each of the buttons which we have provided in the welcome message. For each of the buttons, we have again created the messages. Then we have asked the question. For this question, we have created a contact custom field, selected the format, and with the help of these contact custom field, we were able to save the details sent by the user and also send the personalized message. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. If you have any doubts or queries, you can comment down the video below. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.